the all-new CFMOTO UForce U10 Pro XL. And we have tons of new accessories for this thing. So let's jump right in and start right here in the front with the all-new Sport front bumper. It's got a massive bull bar. It's got your integrated 12-inch light bar, accent panels here, accent to protect that light bar, still utilizes your factory OEM winch. These accent panels here still allows your OEM factory light to come through the bumper, so it gives you a little bit more lighting. So if you want to protect your CFMOTO just like this one right here, check out the all-new CFMOTO Sport front bumper, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.